In this video, I'm going to show you how to see recently deleted password on iPhone on iOS 18. So, if you saved some password on your iPhone and you choose to delete any of this password for security reason or for known reason, you can easily see this password and choose to restore them or delete them permanently. So, if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to see recently deleted password on iPhone, all you need to do is open the password application on your iPhone, just like this. Unlock the password application with your Face ID or Touch ID depending on the device. Once unlocked, under passwords, locate deleted and click on it. Once you click on deleted, you should see recently deleted, and under recently deleted, you have the password you deleted on your iPhone. You can go ahead to delete this password permanently or restore the password. To restore the password, all you need to do is click on the password like this. Then click on recover, click on that. Then you should see the password recovered. Now, if you come back to your whole password, then you should see password added back to your password on your iPhone. So this way you can easily see recently deleted password and recover it on your iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.